One of the questions I frequently get from people is about whether human-centered design is something that is going to deal with some of the sustainability issues of the world today. And I tell people to think about design thinking or human-centered design as part of a suite of tools that we all use to actually understand the environment and design for a better world. So one of the things I've been teaching is systems thinking as part of a complementary assistant to design thinking. And some of the books that I would recommend, some books that I have read recently that I think explain the value and also will give you some very good insights into how design thinking can work in that broader context. The first one is Thinking in Systems by Donella Meadows. It's a great book, has some really good illustrations and describes systems in terms of a bathtub and using stocks and flows. And the story that she tells and the information that she provides is an excellent start to understanding system thinking. The other book that you might find useful is Systems Thinking for Social Change, and this one's by David Peter Stroh. Another one which puts it in context and helps you understand how design can actually be used to help change the world. I would start with these two books on system thinking.